again. It's a rich thing.
Alright guys, as you can see we got the shroud here. But yeah, we are here. I'm gonna show you guys the inside of it. Here it is, big old cut around. And then we go grab the other radiator and then the fans. And we'll see this even bolts up to it and the size difference between this and the fan. Alright, over here we got the old fan. I'm gonna go ahead and remove the 10 mils. And let's put the new one on. Actually, let's compare it. So, got the fan right here. Don't really look too much of a difference in size. Maybe it's a little bit wider, if anything. Yeah, not too much in size difference. The plugs for sure ain't even the same, so I don't know what that's all about. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and bolt it on. See, it even bolts up. It don't even look like it might not even bolt on. Alright guys, unfortunately this is not gonna work. There's no way for this to mount up. And all I could think is they gave me the wrong one. So this is like this don't even mount up anywhere. You can see like at all. You can't put it sideways or anything. So I'm just gonna wait till I hear back from them, and then we'll see what we're gonna do with this. What a bummer! Look how nice it would have looked if it was actually full kit for it. But yeah, we'll put off on this until we figure out what we are gonna do next. Alright, got a few more parts. We got a new bracket right here and a new bolt. So let's open this up. Part number right here is power steering top line bracket, and then the bolt which goes right here, right on this valve cover right here, and it holds this in place. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that on. Alright, next we got the O-ring right here, part number right here. This is gonna go on to this guy right here, and then we'll put this back on. Alright, so we got this in, fully on. Now we can actually move this back over here. We'll mess with that later. But yeah, let's put on the AC lines now. We got two O-rings. One's gonna be for this guy down here, and one will go on here, and then we can actually mount the compressor back on. Right now, I'm probably want to, I'm gonna clean up real quick. This shop is a mess right now. I'm gonna go ahead and put the spark plugs in. We got spark plugs over here. Let me actually show you guys. If you don't know, I have kind of dark over here. This is my shelf. I was more filled up. I've been putting parts in. But yeah, I got like OEM fluids and all that, but we got the spark plugs here. I don't know which one. I think they're both the same. Probably gonna use the laser iridiums. I think these ones are about the same anyway. But yeah, we'll probably put these ones in, and then get the coil packs all plugged in. And then other than that, we're gonna go ahead and probably start messing with more of the wiring, getting everything all where it's supposed to be at. As far as like, you know, all the clips, the starter and all that, all these wires, we're gonna start putting all that together, make it look more like an OEM engine. But everything is officially in, like I said in the last couple of videos. Right now I'm just slowly working on it, just because I'm getting a little bit more picky back down here. I'm actually missing one of these things for the radiator, so now that bugs me. So I'm probably order maybe just 2 new ones. Why not? Get those ones. I'm very upset about the radiator shroud. If you guys seen that, it did not work. So I gotta return it. So now I need to find I really don't want to use the OEM because the shroud looks so nice, but we'll see what we're gonna do with that. And then maybe some control arms and brakes I really want to get done before I even want to start messing with anything. Like putting on the ground, really want to get new brakes, new rotors, new brakes and rotors, new upper control arm, and I would like to get coilovers, but I don't think I'll be able to get all that done. Maybe, we'll see. But but everything's up here, so we'll probably knock out the spark plugs, some wiring, and probably get the tie rod ends finally on. Alright guys, so shout out to my sponsor right here, Afterdark Signworks. He's literally one of the coolest guys. If you guys need any decals or shirts done, he will ship them and make you, like, I'm pretty sure he does custom designs and stuff like that. He does DJing, he does everything. So his account's right here and in the description. Go check him out. I was gonna put this somewhere here or on my toolbox, but actually for him, this is gonna go right here on my 6-speed, right in the bottom window, because he's the homie. So yeah, we'll probably put that on later today as well. Also, before I forget, we got, shout out to P2R right here. We got actually radiator hoses for the TL. We got one here and here. These are just like upgraded ones or whatever, but yeah, let's actually see if this matches. So we got OEM one right here. I'm not gonna open it up because I'm probably gonna sell this one because I didn't know. But you can see it matches damn near perfectly. Let me set it. Now you can see it better. But yeah, look at that. That's like a dead-on match right there. So we got the P2R silicone hoses, and then we got an OEM one up here. And let's see if this matches. This one, yeah, matches. Yeah, matches pretty good. So yeah, we got 2 here. Now we are good to go. And I'm probably gonna sell these for about 30 bucks. By the time you see this video, it's probably sold. But if not, you can always hit me up. I got 30 bucks, 2 OEM hoses, very cheap. Just get some money back. Alright guys, so we're gonna put the spark plugs in. I think it's like a 5/8 or whatever. We're gonna take all these out, put the new ones in the back, and then go ahead and plug all this in, so that way that's done. Plugs in with the new laser iridiums, so that's all good. Now I'm gonna go ahead and I guess I'll just do the shifter bushing since it's just like right here. Wanted me, it looks like he wants me to do it, so we'll go ahead and do it. The light on. So the shifter bushings are right here. I already took the pins off with like a cotter pin. We're gonna go ahead and pop this out and get those removed. Alright guys, the ones I went with is the hybrid racing. Go ahead and surf. So we got it right here. So we got the bigger one, and we got the smaller one right here. Some of the instructions. No, it's not instructions. And it comes with the ring, I guess. Then the ring goes around here after you put it in. I think that's about it. Yep. So alright guys, so let's go ahead and actually just start popping off the old one. And right here. Got it off with just a flathead. That wasn't that bad. Let's see how the new one goes on. Looks like it's gonna be a tight fit, so I'm gonna lube it up. Someone's there. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put some pliers and squeeze it a little bit more. There it goes. Next, we could put the ring in, which will be in the kit. It provides a ring. The ring is right here. I have no idea how this is supposed to go on. Alright, so I got it on. We basically could just open up the ring. It's basically like one of those key rings. So pretty thin, and I was able to get it on pretty easy. Light's dying. But yeah, so this one is now on. We'll go ahead and do the small one next. Alright guys, bushings are in. I'm gonna go ahead and start putting more stuff of this together, so that way I can actually mount the shifter bracket and put the shifter bushings back onto the transmission. Alright guys, so I actually ended up tightening up the braided slave line that I got right here. I routed it kind of past the starter going up, and then I gotta zip tie it still more, but yeah, that's how I got that in. We'll go ahead and just maybe work on the hoses in the back, or maybe I'll just do the tie rod ends right now, get that over with. So I got new tie rod ends for this. And then grab these are the old tie rod locking nuts. So we're gonna go ahead and pop that off, and I'll put the new ones on. Very easy. Alright, we got Laz over here. We just put his HIC visor on. I recorded just super simple. We got a sponsor banner, and we're gonna put this on.
Yeah, so I can hell about me. I'm recording. Nah, it's good. And when are you supposed to do that video?
No, I want to do it soon actually. I should have scheduled you to just do it today, but. Wait, what was that? We're gonna do hold the top too. We're gonna do it right above the black. So the camera, what you're gonna get this. Tell us to go to the left or right. Go my way or his way first before we.
You want in the dead center?
Yeah.
Gotta go right.
My side?
Yeah.
A little bit. I'm gonna stop.
More. More. All right there.
All right. Now let's get the S a little bit more down towards the black, just a little bit above it. You know what I mean?
Yeah, like right on it.
Go more to the right.
Above it.
Right there. Like
You
that?
don't touch it up. Don't go too
Yeah.
close.
Like the gap right there.
A little gap.
How big?
All right. This is where he's gonna tell us to go.
Yeah, he needs to go more to the right.
Go to your way a little. Pull your way.
Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Trying to line it up with the D. Keep going. Keep Keep going. About right there.
Like the middle, like the R and D, right? Not just the D.
Yeah, between the R and D.
Okay.
Try to line it up with the middle of the car.
How's that?
A little more to the right. Keep going, keep going. Keep going. About right there.
All right. Now, how about up or down?
How far up do you want it?
We want in this area, but just make it level now. So like down, him to go down, or I go up or down.
Let's go up a little bit.
Who?
Last. Right, show right there. About right there.
How far is it from the gap on you?
It's like a fucking 1 inch gap from the bottom of the letter.
It'd be crooked a little bit, Karen. You sure?
It looks straight from my ear. You go up more on the right, on Laz's side.
Go up more?
Yeah.
Now it's more than a 1 inch gap.
What was your side, Demi?
Mine's like close to this black line right here. Watch. You see, I'm trying to get it barely above this black line.
Yeah, and look how far I am compared to his.
Yeah, I can't really see the black line.
You see he's talking about this black part right here.
Yeah.
Yeah. So like I'm like hella far away from it. Demi's like right on it.
I'm like a little bit above it.
What the hell?
Unless this banner's like angled. You know what I mean? You want me to go back down?
No, it looked fine right there.
We'll just go down just in case. Go down
A little bit?
right there.
Right there?
Well, you just put it along the black line.
Alright. So Cameron.
Yeah.
Boom.
Go, my boy.
We got the first official banner. Damn, that looks good. Kind of hard to see right here, but got the banner on.
First banner for your car, but
Looks good.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.